So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use ChatGPT in a form of an Excel sheet. Let's say you wanted to edit any of an Excel or you wanted to create any of an Excel, you can use ChatGPT. And without wasting your time, I would like to get started with the video. So here is the prompt that I'm going to paste it, and just I will press enter and then I will read what I have written. So here I have written, like, I want you means ChatGPT to act as a text based Excel. You will only reply me with the text based 10 row Excel sheet. So here just you can see we are getting amazing reply from the ChatGPT, and from the columns A to L, as you can see here, A, B, C, D and to L. The first column header should be empty. Yeah, reference to the row number. I will tell you what to write into the cells, and you will reply with only the result of an Excel table, so and nothing else. So this was the prompt that I have written, and just you can see here I have created my rows and columns in the ChatGPT. And let's say now I wanted to add in this particular column A and row 1. So I would tell ChatGPT as add name, add Ritesh. I will tell, because it is text based Excel sheet, add Ritesh into column A and row 1. Let's see what will get output, and it should add here the name Ritesh that I have given, and just you can see guys, it is very amazingly, and it have replied us with the Ritesh output. And let's say now you wanted to add, let's say, into the column number D and row number 3. So what we can do here, just we can copy this and then paste it here, and let's say we will add into column D and row number 4, and we will add AI convo, AICONVO dot in. So our ChatGPT Excel sheet should reply with this. Here it should add, and just we'll see what will get output. And just see guys, it's amazing, and we have got the result. And let's say you can do many of the tasks. This is just basic thing that I'm telling you, and here is the prompt. If you wanted, I will keep this prompt into the description section. Just you can go copy paste into your terminal, and then you can start using the ChatGPT as an Excel sheet. So yeah, this was the video, and here this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in. That is basically, I have created a course on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different professions to make money. So here just you can go to the aiconvo.in, and just you can see the description of the course, and just you can go to the curriculum of the course. And here the course worth is 1900, but if you use the code elon20 you will get rupees 400 off. And just go through this curriculum and then decide whether to take it or not. So yeah, that's it. Here in this video we have learned how to use ChatGPT as an Excel sheet. So we will meet you into the next video. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye.